Clean the surface where the accessory is going to be placed with alcohol, either by itself or dissolved with water, and then dry the surface with a clean cloth. Never use other liquids to clean the surface. Mark the wall where you want to position the accessory, measuring and centering precisely, using a level if necessary. Apply the stick 3M to the surface of the wall where the accessory is going to be positioned, pressing in the center until the liquid comes out. You must leave 5 minutes. Remove the backing paper from the adhesive, taking care not to touch it with your fingers. You must always heat the adhesive of the piece as well as the wall where the accessory is going to be placed with a hair dryer. Even place the bathroom accessory in the spot you have previously marked in the wall. Press hard with your fingers for 60 seconds. For accessories placed over 140 or 150 meters high from the floor, a step ladder and a second person must be used. If the piece has 2 adhesive brackets, press each one for 60 seconds. You must wait for 72 hours. You shouldn't touch it or pull it. A perfect, easy and fast fix.